Make sure that the DTC is not stored in the ECM. If it's stored in the ECM, throttle position sensor reset mode won't start by following the procedure below. Perform this procedure when the throttle body is replaced with a new one. In our case, it suggests it, so we're going to do that. Turn the ignition switch off, remove the side cover, remove the DLC from the stay, remove the dummy connector from the DLC, and short the DLC terminals using the special tool. Okay, so the DLC connector plug, which we have to jump, is located right here behind the side cover. It's a red plastic piece, and they say to remove it from the stay. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And then I have my special wire jumper that I made with some connectors I had from my tail light job. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump the blue and the green wire. Disconnect the EOT sensor 2P black connector 1. The EOT sensor is the engine operating temperature sensor. That's on the bottom of the cylinder. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to disconnect that sensor, and then we're going to short the wire side connector terminals with the jumper wire. So we're going to short the yellow blue and the green orange wire. There's only 2 wires in this plug, so you just basically short that plug out. Okay, so here we're looking at the engine operating temperature sensor, the EOT sensor. So you're going to want to take this clip out so you have room to work. Depress the tab and just wiggle it out. Then you're going to see the connector here. And this is where you're going to want to jump the wires, or the connector with the wire here. The key thing is to make sure that you're getting through to the actual metal connector, or else it won't short out. Okay, so our process here is going to be to turn the ignition switch on, and when the MIL starts blinking, pull the jumper wire out, and then the MIL will start a different blinking pattern. So once again, just like with the ECM, make sure that you have your kill switch on. And then we're going to go ahead, turn the key, wait for that MIL, and then rip out that jumper connector. Okay, so I have my kill switch on, and then we're going to turn the key, wait for the MIL, rip the jumper out. So let's turn on the key, wait for the MIL. Okay, that's a pattern. Rip the jumper out, and now we have a successful pattern. So that's what we were looking for. Okay, the rest of this is a piece of cake. All we need to do is just reconnect our sensor. And we'll put this clip back in. We're good there. Put the side cover back on, put the seat back on, and then we're ready to rock. Of course, we can't forget about our DLC connector here. We put the dummy connector back on there. Don't forget to put it back on its clip so it stays put. We'll put the side cover back on, seat back on, ready to roll.